On today's menu, a delicious and easy recipe that's guaranteed to make you feel happy. An amazing lentil and chickpea rice. 你好嗎? That's how's it going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking. I'm Yeung. I'm so glad you're joining in today because this recipe is incredibly delicious, really simple to put together. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 375. Half cup brown rice. Rinse and drain the rice a couple of times to get rid of the excess starch. This recipe is good for 2 to 3 portions, but of course you can multiply to make more if you like. 3/4 cups water. This is about a 1/4 cup of brown lentils, and it's been soaking overnight in about 1 to 2 cups of water just to kind of give them a head start. Drain the lentils and add to the rice. Medium-high heat. Rinse and drain a 400 ml can of chickpeas and add to a mixing bowl. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. Drizzle of avocado oil. Toss to coat. Spread the chickpeas onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake in the oven for 25 minutes. When the water begins to bubble, give the rice a really good stir. Turn down the heat to medium-low, then cover and cook for 15 minutes. One red onion, diced. You can also substitute this with white onions or shallots if that's what you have on hand. Place into a large mixing bowl. Half a cucumber, diced. This will add a delicious and fresh crunch. One tomato, diced. The tomato will add some juiciness and a nice natural sweetness. Roughly chop about 30 grams of parsley and add to the bowl. The parsley will add a lightness and a delicious freshness as well. After 15 minutes, turn the heat on the rice off and let it steam further for another 10 minutes. Two tablespoons lemon juice. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Fresh cracked pepper to taste. 2 teaspoons za'atar. 2 tablespoons tahini. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Give the dressing a shake to combine. When the rice is done, fluff with a rice paddle and add to the mixing bowl. Add the smoky roasted chickpeas. Add in half the dressing and give it a mix. Depending on personal preference, you can always add more dressing, but remember you cannot take away. Generously plate the rice bowl. can now enjoy this delicious recipe with absolute confidence. This looks amazing and smells incredible. Wow, the flavors that you are welcomed with are just sensational. Visually, this is just rustic. It's stunning with those beautiful colors of purple, red, the green, and that earthy tone. The brown rice and the lentils is what gives this dish that incredible body. And you have those chickpeas that add even more body and that little smoky flavor as well. In contrast, the fresh parsley and the juicy tomatoes just really lifts up this dish. That dressing adds this incredible layer of creaminess and binds everything together. There's that saltiness, the natural sweetness from the tomatoes, little pepperiness, and that za'atar adds so much extraordinary aroma. The lemon juice just brightens up everything and goes so well with the fresh and earthy ingredients. The tahini adds this nuttiness and gives body to that dressing. So simple to make, visually stunning, extraordinary flavors, so delicious. This is something I can definitely make every single week. Like I always say, it's simple, delicious recipes like this that makes it so exciting to cook at home. If you love delicious, easy recipes like me, then definitely check out or pick up your copy of one of the 3 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. There is a print or digital version of these books. You can also check out the Young Man Cooking merch or plant-based sushi masterclass or these Young Man Cooking ceramic noodle bowls all over on the web shop. Link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, definitely do so, and we'll cook together in the next episode.